Reed has that spoon. Can I give you more? Mouth. Good job. Do you want more yogurt? You want me to put more yogurt on this spoon? Double spooning it today, huh? Wait. Here, bud. Good job. This really hurts. No, you can't have the whole canister. Here. Good job. Apparently, banana yogurt is a winner today. Yay!